Kia ora, Year 11 and 12. Here's question 2F from this year's school algebra exam. So it looks like a really horrible question. It's got lots of logs in it. If we can get over our initial freak out, it turns out it's pretty straightforward if you understand your log rules. So we've got two simultaneous equations. And I'm going to start with the second one, rewriting it like this. So we get 5y is equal to 1 plus log to base 5 of 125x. But we know from equation 1 what y is. So we can substitute in y as this. 5 log to base 5 of x is equal to this. Now the next step is to recognise that I've got a product here. And my log rules tell me that whatever the base, the log of AB can be split up as the log of A plus the log of B. So that's the way that I'm going to do this problem. I get 5 log to base 5 of x is equal to 1 plus the log to base 5 of 125 plus the log to base 5 of x. I'm going to do two things on the next line. I'm going to collect up my like terms and I'm going to deal with this. So on the left hand side now I have 4 log to base 5 of x because I've subtracted this from each side, and that equals 1 plus this. Well, what does the log mean? Well, all this is 5 to the power of what is equal to 125. So 5 squared is 25, 5 cubed is 125. So we just get 1 plus 3. Now, dividing both sides by 4 gives me log to base 5 of x is equal to 4 over 4, which is 1. So the next line gives me 5 to the power of 1 equals x. So x is equal to 5. But don't stop there. Remember, I'm solving simultaneous equations. So I need to substitute that back in to get y, and y is equal to the log to base 5 of 5. 5 to the power of what is 5? And the answer is 1. So x is 5 and y is 1. That's all for now. Be back with more later.